Sewing can be a creative journey that is unique and personal for everyone. It is an essential life skill and a wonderful hobby. Learning to sew with a practical project such as an apron increases the knowledge and confidence with the craft. Aprons are a part of everyday life that provides the perfect combination of style and functionality. They make a perfect heart-touching gift for a friend or a family member. This class will teach you to make your own personalized aprons for yourself or your loved ones. I am Cloudia, a fashion and lifestyle accessory designer from India. I have helped students across the globe to discover their creativity through various classes that feature craft and design. In this class, you will learn to sew a double-sided apron with different styles and functionality, so they can be used for multiple purposes. This apron can also be modified and used as a half apron. I present some of my best sewing hacks and techniques that result in superior finishing with the least amount of steps. Aprons are an exciting idea for starting a small business. Extensive customization even allows you to make matching aprons for your family. Crafting improves focus and can make a person emotionally and spiritually content by giving a feeling of being totally present at the moment. There is always a joy in making handmade items by yourself. Through this class, I look forward to sharing the joy of creation to everyone. Join now and let's get started.